everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to share with you a design team project share for Alinacutle store. So I made some tassels with this set right here. It does have a little lace border that you can use in the place of the caps if you want. But I used all my caps that came with it. I had some samples. So this is how my tassels turned out. I added some beads. And as you can see, I used the gold capsules for the hot pink tassel. So there's that one. And then I did it in blue and silver. And this is how mine turned out. And everything matches, I believe, perfectly. And you can fan it out if you want. And there's been videos doing all kinds of styles of these tassels. But I just want you to see how I made mine. So that's the first project. The next project is this butterfly. It's a wrap. Looks like this. And you can cut it apart and make it as long as you want to fit whatever it is you need. If you want to make it a napkin ring, whatever, you can. But I decided to put it on this box, this cube box. And what I did to hide that I cut it so that it could fit on the box, I put another layer on top and I embossed it. Okay, so that's how it turned out, and I added some flat back pearls to my butterfly. And then if you want to unhook it, it just latches together. There's some little slits right here that you snap it back together, and then it's a full butterfly again, like so. Okay, and then for the little heart on the box, I use this all the time, but there's a heart that comes with the leaf set that I use with my flowers. So there's that project right there, and I love how it turned out. Alright, and the next set I want to share is these bows. They look like this, and I'll show you all the bows that I made as well as the bling I used. Okay, so here I did a double wing. You can do it with one wing. It's all up to you. Here I did it in gold, and I put a heart in the center, so that's how that one looks. The bling is also showed in her shop, and it comes with a smaller set of bling or gems, if you want to call it that. So I think there's 109 or so in the packs. You'll have to look at the website to see how many you get, but you get 2 packs for the price, and they're adhesive backed. So that's how that turned out for the bows. And I also put a bow on top of my vintage box, so I'll show you that, and that's how it turned out. And the lid comes off, and you just put the lid back on. You have to be careful not to snag the little lace pieces, but it does fit back on there. And I'll show you the set of the vintage box. So here it is again. I had to fix the lid. But anyway, it comes with flowers, and the flowers look like this. And then it has leaves to it, and the leaves look like this. I was going to put a big flower on top of the box, but then I decided to go with the bow. So here are the flowers, and then all the little leaves that come in the set. So I just decided to put the flowers on the side of the box. So here's what the set looks like and all the pieces. You get a doily, which you can see on top of my box. That's how that looks. And then you get this border piece that I put on the top of the lid, that gold that wraps around. And then of course the flowers. Okay, so that's my video. I hope you enjoyed and you were inspired. I will link what I have made in the description box below in case you want to copy anything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked this video. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.